welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jazz. I make motherhood, cooking, and lifestyle content. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to subscribe. Today I'm back with another home chef meal, and if you love one pot meals, then you're in for a good time because today we are trying this steak pad thai, and it's nothing short of amazing and easy. I made this meal in less than 30 minutes. So that is a win-win right there in my book. Here is everything that they sent me. All I need to do is dice, chop, cook, and eat. I lost a few limes right there, so we had to go pick those back up. But we got them back, and all I had to do was squeeze some of the lime into one container and then dice the rest for later. So simple. If you haven't tried out Home Chef and if you're curious about it, please comment discount down below and I will send you a discount code. If you want to know what I rate this meal, stay until the end to find out. Like I said, cooking this was super easy. I did need a bigger pot because they sent me meals for a family of 4. I ended up using only one container of the noodles because I didn't have any more space, and my kids actually love this meal, so that's always a win as well. I really love that about Home Chef. Everything I have picked out, my kids have eaten and they love it, so that's just so amazing. Like they usually eat everything anyway, but the fact that they are not picky eaters to new flavors and all of that, it's super good, and it definitely makes me want to continue using them. I mean, just look at all of those noodles, you guys. Like, that was so much. I definitely needed to use my wok pan. I mean, I think next time I order something with noodles, I will definitely keep that in mind because this little Le Creuset cast iron was I didn't think I was gonna be cooking it all in one pan, so I guess that's my fault for just not reading it ahead of time. But as soon as I saw sear your beef, I just knew like I'm gonna use my Le Creuset cast iron, and then I noticed that I was cooking everything inside of here, and I was like, oh darn, I messed up. I messed up, but I know better for next time. This meal actually was super easy. It was very flavorful. And what I do love about it is that you can still add whatever you want to it. I always add my seasonings because I always just still have my own specific seasonings that I use in every single dish, no matter what. But they do send you every single thing that you need. So it is really hassle free. And I made this right when my son was about to get out of school. I didn't really think I had enough time, but I had enough time. This is how everything turned out. It was super good. I give this meal a 10 out of 10.